My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Exploit6. The video is solely for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. I only want to show you how this ransomware affects the files so that you would not tolerate it. And the ransomware encrypts the files including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documents. The ransomware encrypts these files and damages them considerably. You have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack we were able to open our files. However, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Exploit6 ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they cannot use their data anymore. All the data gets damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware. Well, this particular Exploit6 ransomware tries to make its victims pay the ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is surely not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file recovery. It is called Exploit6 because it adds this additional extension to the files called Exploit6, and it also drops this ransom note on the computer screen, mentioning basically the same thing. So once again, don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, then click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so after you click on Start Scan button, the quick scan option will take place. And the software should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course essential for proper detection and removal of any ransomware or malware. Now, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks, but this feature is a part of the premium license only. So then the scanning itself would take some time, I guess. It might take several minutes. And the scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. Mainly it depends on how many hard drives are being scanned. And then at the end of the scan you would see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. And based on that summary, certain threats can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.